Hello students, today we will continue with the chapter Fractions. Till now we have covered the topics meaning of fraction, writing and reading of fraction, fraction of a whole, numerator and denominator. If you have not watched those videos, go and watch. I have provided the link in the description. So our today's topic is types of fraction. First type is proper fractions. A proper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is smaller than denominator. Examples are 1 upon 2. As in this fraction, 1 is the numerator, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. 2 is the denominator. So as you can see that numerator is smaller than denominator. That is 1 is smaller than 2. So this is a proper fraction. Next example, 3 upon 4. Here numerator is 3 and denominator is 4. So 3 is smaller than 4. So 3 by 4 is a proper fraction. In the fraction in which numerator is smaller than the denominator, then that fraction is a proper fraction. Our next type is improper fraction. A fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator, then it is a improper fraction. Like examples are 5 upon 3. So here 5 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. So here 5 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 3. That is numerator is greater than the denominator. So it is a improper fraction. In next example is 6 upon 4. 6 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. So 6 is greater than 4. So this is also a improper fraction. So whenever numerator is greater than the denominator, then it is a improper fraction. Our next type is unit fraction. A fraction with the numerator 1 is the unit fraction. Example 1 upon 8. Here 1 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. So here numerator is 1, so it is a unit fraction. Here 1 upon 10. 1 is numerator and 10 is denominator. So it is also a unit fraction. Similarly 1 upon 9. Here 1 is the numerator and 9 is the denominator. So it is a unit fraction. In unit fraction, numerator should be always 1. Denominator can be any number. So we have understood 3 types of fractions: proper fractions, improper fractions and unit fraction. So proper fraction is whose numerator is smaller than the denominator. For example 1 by 2. This is proper fraction. Improper fraction is the one whose numerator is greater than the denominator. Like example 4 upon 3. This is improper fraction. Unit fraction whose numerator is equal to 1. Like for example 1 upon 4. This is a unit fraction. So these are the 3 types of fractions. Now let us start with our second topic, like and unlike fraction. First let us understand like fractions. 2 or more fractions with same denominator are called like fractions. See these examples: 2 by 4, 5 by 4, 9 by 4. What is similar in this? That they have the denominator 4. All the fractions have the denominator 4. So whose denominator is always same. They are like fractions. It can be See another example. Suppose we have fractions like 2 by 3, 6 by 3, 10 by 3. These are also like fractions. Why? Because they all are having 3 as their denominator. So like fractions are the one whose denominators are same. Now let us understand unlike fractions. Two or more fractions with different denominator are called unlike fractions. Like example, see we have 4 fractions. 1 upon 6, 2 upon 4, 9 upon 8 and 12 upon 11. Here you can see that each fraction is having different denominators. This is having 6, this is 4, 8 and 11. All of them are having different denominator. So these are unlike fractions. Fractions whose denominators are different are unlike fractions. Let us start with third topic, comparison of like fractions. So comparison means arranging the numbers in order. It can be from smaller to greater or greater to smaller. And we know like fractions are the fractions whose denominators are same. So our example is, we have 3 fractions, 3 by 4, 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. Let us first arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order is from smaller to greater. So as our denominators are same, so we will arrange our numerators in ascending order. So among them, smallest number is 1. So first we will write 1. Then after 1 it comes 2. So 2 is greater than 1. So we will put greater than sign. Then after 2 it is 3. Then again we will put greater than sign. So we have arranged the numerators in its ascending order and its denominator is same. So we will put denominator at the bottom. So we have arranged these numbers in ascending order. Let us arrange the same numbers in descending order. Descending order is from greatest number to smallest number. So as denominator is same, so we will not do anything with it. We will check numerators. So the greater number among them is 3. So first we will write 3 here. Then after that the smaller number is 2. So we will write 2 and put the less than sign. Then after 2 it comes 1. So again we will put less than sign and write 1. As denominators are same, so we will add denominators at the bottom. So this is our answer. This is how we arrange the numbers, that is compare the numbers in ascending or descending order. In our next class, we will continue with the chapter fractions.